Every structured products desk faces the same problem. Multiple systems, endless spreadsheets. Days spent moving from trade idea to client-ready documentation. OpenArrow changes that. Build, analyze, and document structured products from a single platform in under 60 seconds. Just sign in, chat, build. OpenArrow. Structured products. Agent ready. Getting started with OpenArrow takes minutes. Option 1. Connect your AI workspace. Generate an access key, connect Claude Desktop or Cursor, and access OpenArrow's pricing, risk, and documentation capabilities. Option 2. Skip the setup. Use OpenArrow's built-in agent. Let's see it in action. What's your name? I'm OpenArrow, your structured products and options analytics assistant. What product types are available? Reverse convertibles, barriers, capital protection, yield enhancement, 8 payoff families, 10 institutional grade structures. Now let's try something more complex. Price a 3-year Nifty barrier reverse convertible for 1 crore rupees paying a 9% annual coupon with a 70% downside barrier and generate the KIDPDF. In seconds, OpenArrow structures the trade, calculates pricing and risk metrics, generates payoff analysis, and produces a client-ready KID document. No spreadsheets, no manual modeling, no fragmented workflows, just chat, build, deliver. OpenArrow. From idea to documentation in under 60 seconds.